Hi everybody, welcome all of you to our channel IAPT Learners Hub. This class we are going to study polymorphism. Last class we have learned inheritance, encapsulation and types of constructors. Okay, this class we are going to study polymorphism. Okay, let us study what is polymorphism. Polymorphism is the combination of poly and morphs, which means many forms. Means of poly is many, morphs is forms. That is many forms. It is a Greek word. Okay, polymorphism means many forms. In object-oriented programming, we use three main concepts: inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism. Now let us study what is a polymorphism. Let's study real-life example of polymorphism. Okay. What is a polymorphism? Polymorphism is more than one function with the same name but different working. Okay. Same example we can take in from our real life. I'll tell you one example. A single person or lady named Renu. She is behaving like a teacher in a classroom. In a classroom she behaves like a teacher. In home she behaves like a mother or daughter. In market she behaves like a customer. In a bus she behaves like a passenger. Okay. The lady is behaving differently according to the situation. According to the situation, she is behaving differently. Same way, the polymorphism means more than one function with the same name but different working. The function is same name but works is different working. Okay, that is the polymorphism. With the same name function, we can work in differently. Okay. There are two types of polymorphism in C++. Polymorphism are mainly divided into compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. Okay, compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. Later we will study one by one. Again, compile time polymorphism is divided into function overloading and operator overloading. Then runtime polymorphism is a virtual function. Okay. Let us study one by one. What is a function overloading? What is a operator overloading? What is a virtual functions? See, what is a function overloading? When there are multiple functions with the same name, two or three functions will have, or five or six functions will have, but different parameters. Then the functions are said to be overloaded. This is known as function overloading. Okay, they will have multiple functions with the same name but different parameters. Then functions are said to be overloaded. This is known as function overloading. Function can be overloaded by changing the number of arguments or changing the type of arguments. Number of arguments and changing the type of arguments. This is the function overloading. While doing the program, we will come to know what is a function overloading. It is easy. That means the same name, many functions will have, but different parameters. Okay, that different changing the number of arguments and changing the type of arguments. Okay, that is the function overloading. Starts with the program function overloading. Okay, class geeks, GEWKS. Okay, then here function with one integer. Okay, one argument here. Okay, void function name of the function is func. Here only one argument, that is x. Then the value of the x is x. Okay, we will pass the values in the main program. Okay, then continuation of the program. Then see, the type of the argument is different. There it was int, here it is double. Okay, name of the function is same, func. There it was intx, here it is double x, decimal, having the decimal point. Then print that. Okay, then here the two parameters are there. Number of arguments is more. Their number of arguments, about two functions number of arguments is 1. Here number of parameters is 2. Here see, void function intx comma y, but function name is same. Then printing the value. Okay, and in show the main program. See, this is the main program. Here see, object is geeks object 1. object of class is obj1. obj1 dot function c7. This goes to x, will print the result. Then second function FUNC, obj1 dot function decimal number 9.132. This goes to y and print the result. The third function name is same, obj1 dot FUNC 8564. 85 pass to 6x, 64 pass to y. Then we'll get the result at 8564. Okay, and see the output of this program. After execution of the program, what will get the output? See, value of x is equal to 7, value of x is equal to 9.132, value of x and y is 85,64. Okay, see, in the above example, a single function named function name FUNC acts differently in 3 different situations. This acts differently 3 different situations. That is the polymorphism. It is the polymorphism. It is a function name same but works different. Okay, this is called as function overloading. Is it clear now? Okay. Is it easy? Hope you learned what is a polymorphism, what is the meaning of the polymorphism, that is many forms. Then there are 2 types of polymorphism are there. What is that? Compile time and run time. This all we have learned. Then later we'll study operator overloading, everything. Okay. Okay, if you like this video, subscribe the channel, like and share. Press the bell button also. Okay, I will come with the next day with a new video. Okay.